I'm through Binsky and I'm going to show you what $10 can get you in Nepal. This is actually my second attempt to visit Nepal. The last time I was on a plane here to hike Everest, the 7.9 earthquake hit and I had to cancel my plans. But I'm really excited to have another chance to visit. I quickly fell in love with Nepali culture, food, lifestyle, and people. And believe it or not, I find it to be one of the cheapest places on earth. I'm here in the capital of Kathmandu, the largest city in the Himalayan region. Today we're going to see how many things I can buy for $10. Street markets. You can pretty much bargain for anything here. Like a DVD. So many good movies to choose from. Steve Jobs, the good one. Yes! So right now we are going to get momos. Nepali dumpling. You can get any style you wish, but these momos have buffalo meat inside. That's really good. Hot. How about a handmade Buddha poster? This is cool. Thank you very much. It's pretty cold in Nepal and I need a scarf to keep me warm. This guy has any texture or color under the sun. Stylish? There you go. Thank you. We're here getting some lassi. Lassi is a yogurt-based drink that originated in India. It has yogurt, water, spices, and fruit. Dude, it's the best one I've ever had. Nepal flag. It's the only flag in the world that's not a rectangle. This is a great flag to add to my collection. Yes! Nepali traditional hat, like this?
Yes.
I feel so Nepali. To wrap it up, I got a DVD, momos, poster, scarf, lassi, flag, and hat for $9.63. See you next time for what $10 can get you in Taipei. How's the hat look? Good?
Yes.